Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get to know about that TEMU application in that application only. So for that, in this video, I will guide you step by step process. So first of all, open your TEMU application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. So now you can see at the bottom, new icon is there. Tap on that. And inside that you can see at the top right corner one setting icon is there. Tap on that. So inside that you can see here about this app. Tap on that. So you can see here about that TEMU application. So for that tap on about us. So here you can get to know about that TEMU application, like what is TEMU and what does TEMU means, and what you can see every details about TEMU here. And if you want to contact them, you can contact from here only directly, no need to go for other process. So in this way you can get to know about that TEMU application in that application only. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.